What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're here at AIRLIE Beach. To start off this video, I've had a blocked ear for about a week. Since we've been at 1770, I've had a blocked ear. This isn't the first time we've done this as well. Brooke's done this before, so she's gonna flush out my ear. So this is how the video is gonna start. If this grosses you out, don't look.
Or we may end up in emergency with a perforated eardrum.
No, we won't. That's not gonna happen. Don't even put that out there. Just take all of that and throw it in the garden. That way. Alright, so the plan with the ear is we got the syringe, got a cup of warm water, which is clean water, it's bottled water. And what you do is you just squirt the water in your ear. Okay, the water goes in and it comes out. Goes in and comes out and it flushes out the wax. Done this a few times before. So yeah, just remember.
Yeah, I know. It's stuff a steady stream. Like this. Oh!
Yeah, not like that.
Ooh, yeah, we're getting there. Oh, yeah.
We just got back from the markets and we went to a fruit store and they had purple, I almost said purple broccoli, purple carrot. Supposedly, according to this, where did it say it? Purplets have 28 times more anthocyanins than an orange carrot. Please tell me what that word is. Anthocyanins?
No idea.
Anthocyanins. Yeah, I've never seen an orange. I've never seen a purple carrot before, so purple carrot, bit of mashed potato, gonna steam all that up, a bit of lamb.
I'll try.
Oh, it's raw dogging it.
Tastes like carrot. It tastes like normal carrot, hey.
Does it?
Yeah.
On it.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of raw carrot.
It's actually really nice.
No raw dogging for me.
Raw dog in it.
Yeah. That's the joke. You got it. Well, we're gonna have some lunch and not really much else going on today, but I thought those purple carrots were pretty cool. We're catching up with my mate Josh, who's gonna take us on a little day trip on his yacht. No idea where, don't know what he's got planned for us, but we're on this little boat, which is gonna take us to the bigger boat. So yeah, adventure begins. Chilling and exploring the Whitsundays.
Hanging out.
Yeah, which is what makes AIRLIE. Without exploring the ocean and the Whitsundays, I feel AIRLIE is a little bit boring. If you come to AIRLIE Beach, you got to get on the ocean and explore the Whitsundays, I believe. If you don't, I just don't. There's not that much here.
Look inside the water so I can see a fish inside so I can catch it.
Okay, we'll keep a good eye out. Here he is. Hey, Golda. We just seen a whale. We're trying to find it again. Good boy. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Good boy. It's home.
Please come back.
Can't go. Okay, Code. Come on, buddy. He thought we were leaving him,
I know,
but
he
we're
got all
not.
panicked. Oh, you made it.
He's gonna shake.
Oh! You made it. Good job.
We're just going over there.
Nice open bow and oyster.
We just parked the boat up. We hit these rocks with all the oysters on it. Got a big hole in the boat. But Josh was saying we don't need all the chambers to be able to float back, so we're safe. We're still able to get back to the big boat. It's just coral.
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a graveyard.
It is.
Nice on the old feet.
The tide must come all the way up here.
Yeah.
Holy.
Storm surge, bro. It'll be pushing all the coral up there. Oh yeah, adventure.
Show me. Whoa. Show me the other side. That's a cool shell. Josh is going to head back to swap the boat out, and then we're all going to be able to get back nice and safe.
Not in that one.
See you soon.
Who is it? Who is it, Coda? He's back!
Oh, the tail.
There the tail goes. We made it! Brooke was craving fish and chips for dinner. So fish and chips it was.
And I'm tired. It was a long day. It was so enjoyable.
Good morning. It's another beautiful day here at AIRLIE Beach, and I've decided to go for a mountain bike ride because there's a few tracks to explore around here. And today I'm exploring Mount Rupa and Swamp Bay area, Conway National Park. So we want to do Swamp Bay, Vow, Mount Rupa. So this way. I don't know if you can see on the GoPro. You can see the water through those trees. Made it to the top. I made it. Look at all the coral that's washed up. There's a turtle out there. I just seen it. There you are. I just found this little shady spot in amongst the trees. I'm just gonna have a little bit of a snack. I bring myself some dates with peanut butter. If you haven't tried dates and peanut butter, mint. Honestly, the best snack ever. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit. This is a perfect spot to do some meditation, bit of breath work. And then, yeah, I might go for a swim and then head on back to camp. See what the girls are up to. I will admit, I am a little bit sad that I don't have my drone right now, but it is what it is. It is what it is.
I can't believe they have
It's almost as big as your head.
It's bigger than my face.
It is.
Show me the size of it. Holy moly. What do you think?
Yum.
Is that good? We just got to Cedar Creek Falls, which is just a 30-minute drive out of AIRLIE Beach. And the walk from the car park to here is about 15 seconds.
Yeah.
It's literally like, it's like 100 meters from the car park to the waterfall. And it's beautiful. Check this out.
Wow. Feel that one.
Say hello. We made it to the top.
That's me.
We made it up. So before we were behind me, we were up there. We were up that bit. Now we've just come down one more level.
That was a bubble.
Good climbing. Right, we made it back down. Now we're going
That way.
that way.
Oh. Don't touch it. Dad, don't touch
We're heading to where the Whitsunday Safari Tour is, and you can do like crocodiles spotting. And there's like a little lookout part, I think. I just seen it on maps. It was just like that camera icon, and it's just like a lookout where you can hopefully see a crocodile, because I am dying to see one in the wild. And we're here. Crocodiles, where are you at? Did a bit of research, and supposedly the Proserpine River has the largest density of crocodiles anywhere in Queensland. On average, 5.5 crocs per kilometre. Wow. And we still haven't seen one.
I don't think we'll see a crocodile.
I don't think we will either.
Not with that attitude. Mate, again, negativity. Put it into a ball and throw it in the bush.
This?
Yeah, put it in, and no, that negative energy of you won't see a crocodile, put it in a ball and throw it in the bush.
No!
And then birth a little bit of, we will see a crocodile.
We won't ever.
AIRLIE, and now we're on our way to Bowen. Heard a lot of good things about this place. We're here for 3 nights, so we've got plenty of time to check out some of the bays. I want to check out Grays Bay, Horseshoe Bay. I think it was called Flash Hill Lookout. Flagstaff. There it is. Flagstaff Hill. Let's check out what Bowen's like. We'll see you there. And just like that, we are set up. Took about 10 minutes that time. That was pretty good. Where?
Yeah, because it was a drive-through site. There was no left, right, this way, that way, back. I don't know.
Yeah, it was pretty easy. And we got the ocean straight up here. Time to go do a bit of a food shop, and then I'm thinking beach day, but we'll see what the girls want to do. We'll go from there. Show me what you found. Foggy. Alright, find a home for him. I'm on my way to Grays Bay and maybe Horseshoe Bay. And as you can see, the girls aren't with me because they'd rather stay in the van and watch a movie. That pretty much sums up what I think about that. But oh well, that's their choice. They want to watch a movie, stay in a van. Boo! Boo! What do you reckon? Should I be booing them? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Should I have convinced them to come or let them stay and watch a movie? I'm really interested to know what you think. I just got to Horseshoe Bay. This place is beautiful. I did read up that it's a good place to go for a snorkel. So I'm going to get my snorkel and I will attach the GoPro to the snorkel. I'm going to have a bit of a swim, have a bit of a snorkel, and yeah, just hang out here till sunset. We got the just in time to watch the sunrise. Oh yeah, whoa. We made it to sunrise. Horseshoe Bay is beautiful. If you come down to Bowen, you definitely got to check out this spot. We're just going for a little explore through the rocks. The rock formations here are just magnificent. They're like boulders. Such a cool place to explore. That rock up there looks like a T-Rex head. Yeah. Or like a big dog.
This can be our copy. Come in.
I'm coming.
And just shave it. You stay there. it. It's taking me.
Yeah, I don't know if I can fit through there.
It's too loud.
You're much smaller than me, you are.
I'm smaller, so I can fit. I think this is the way I'm helping you.
Do you want me to show you how to get across? Alright, I'll show you just like this. You ready? So here, 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 there, and then up. Just like that. I'm just kidding, I'm big. I got big legs, so you gotta find your own way. You gotta look around and figure it out. You got it, just keep your head low. Keep your head real close to this rock. Like a cheetah. That's it, that's it. That's it. That's it, yep. Watch your bum. You did it.
Yay!
What a beautiful little spot to just sit and chill. Oaklee thinks no. Alright. Alright, let's keep going.
This way.
Okay. This type of stuff is like great exercise, especially for kids. Things like climbing, jumping, running, dancing, swimming. All of these types of activities keep our bodies functional. If we do these things more regularly, that's our exercise. That's going to keep us functional. We're doing all of the movement patterns that you need. We're using our muscles, stability, everything. It's great. This type of stuff is good. Look at this. This is an unreal place to explore, isn't it? After this little explore with Oaklee, I'm going to go for a bigger explore by myself, and I'm going to have a little bit of fun climbing these rocks. And you'll see what I mean in a minute. Oh my god, I just seen some whales out there. I don't know if I'll be able to get it on the GoPro. Oh, it just jumped out the water, Oaklee. Did you see? What are you doing? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing after you watch this video? Get out there. Just put the phone down, turn the technology off, get out there, no plan, just go, see where your gut takes you, and just follow it. Just follow it. Go on an adventure. Just get out there and just go. Just go. How are those black cockatoos, hey? Such a beautiful bird, and you only see them when you come up a little bit further north. I just absolutely love them, straight on the entry into camp. What I'm doing now is I just dropped Oaklee off because she came and watched the sunrise with me. Now I'm off to Horseshoe Bay to try to get one last snorkel in before we head off, because today is pack up day. It's always clearer in the morning, so the plan is to get to Horseshoe Bay, suit up, fins on. I'll put the GoPro on my goggles, go for a snorkel, see what we can find. The snorkeling's a real edge for me. I'm still quite uncomfortable in the ocean and have a lot of fear around it, if I'm being honest. So the snorkeling's a bit of an edge for me, and I really want to overcome this edge. So any opportunity to get in the water and face that fear is a good opportunity for me to grow. It's one of those things where, like, how can I expect Oaklee to get in the ocean if I'm scared myself? Like, it's possibly why she doesn't want to get in the ocean, because she can probably sense that I have a slight fear of it. So I really want to overcome that fear and get more comfortable in the ocean. And yeah, wish me luck. I just seen 2 whales. I'm gonna grab my phone. Oh my God, not far at all from the shore. Where'd you go? All right, let's give it a try. What is it that you're doing this weekend? If it's sitting at home, watching TV on your phone, scrap that. Get out there, go explore the closest waterfall, the beach, nature. Just get out there, put the phones down, put the technology away, and get out there and experience what it's like to just be. That's gonna wrap up the video. We'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.